now you can see this drone is working. Now we switch on the anti-drone system. As soon as it is switched on, you can check on the spectrum. So the power is being transmitted from here, received here, and I am trying to do the drone setup is cut off now. Now after this switching of the drone, now again the drone is working.
During the flying, if you can,
Okay.
during the
During
flying,
the fly, just to switch it on, please.
during the fly in
So
the
it
air,
is
during the flying in the air, then you switch
okay.
on the jammer.
Okay, switching on the drone fly on to it.
Switch on
So
the.
once it is on, I am not able to control it.
Okay.
So the control circuit is off now. Okay, you can switch it off. Thank you.